Okay, so I am going to walk through the rental property organizer. This is the PDF version. So basically, for each rental property, there's going to be a separate PDF for it. So the first thing will be to enter the rental property address, the type of property, the rental days and any personal use days, and then of course the year. That's very important. We need to make sure we know which year this is for. So if it's for the current tax year, you're doing the tax return for that, that is going to be the year that is entered there. You'll notice that there are two separate columns. One is just for the rental property, but if your property is being rented and you are splitting, like only half of it's being rented and you're living in the other half, instead of putting the amounts here, you're going to put the total amounts here for the entire rental property because we're going to have to allocate it. Then the next thing is you enter the total amount of rent received, the all the expenses by category. Now, if there's something that you want to have itemized separately that does not easily fall under any of these other categories, then we can put it in here. More often than not, everything will be able to fall in these categories, and you would just put, if there's something different, you would write out what it is here and then give a summation for it here. The way that this works is you put in the amount of rent received as a positive number, then you enter all your expenses also as positive numbers, and the rest of the document does the work for you. It totals everything and gives you all the numbers you need. This is all you need to do. You'll notice that at the bottom there's an accountant use only section. This does not need to be touched. This is on the accounting side. This is our way to make any adjustments based on items that we work on in the tax return. So at the end of the day, you will upload this into the portal as a part of the client documents, a part of the support file. Then we will download it, and if there are any adjustments here, we will re-upload it in the firm documents support section where you'll have access to it to be able to download it and use it as your support. And that's the PDF. The PDF actually sums everything. So then there is an Excel version also. We made both just in case one works better for you than the other. If you're more familiar with one program versus the other, this is essentially the same thing. You just do all the same, and you leave this section, and then we're all good. If you want to fill out anything for the home office deduction over here or the auto deduction, if you have, business use of personal vehicle, like for the rental property, you can plug it in over here in the Excel one. This isn't an option in the PDF one, just the Excel, but you can also put in your home office information here. Both of those can easily be entered in the regular tax organizer though. So I would prefer that those are completed in the tax organizer and not here, but this is an option if it makes it easier for you to total things up. And that's essentially how the rental property organizer works. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're hoping this is a great tool that helps streamline the tax preparation process.